How to create YouTube playlist on Android playlist settings. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can create YouTube playlist on Android. So it was very easy. For that you guys will simply open YouTube app in your Android phone. Once you open that, here you guys will simply click on down right side profile pic. Once we click here you guys will see view channel. Simply click on top view channel. Once we click here you guys can see home, videos, short, playlist and other things. Simply click on videos. Now here you guys will see all your videos. So for making playlist, simply click on any video, right side three dots. Once we click here you guys can see edit, save to device, play next in queue, save to playlist. So simply click on save to playlist. Once we click here you guys can see all your playlists in your phone. Also on top right side you guys can see new playlist. So simply click on new playlist. Once we click on new playlist, here you guys can write playlist name, and which you guys can select the visibility. If you want to create private, you guys can select private. Also you guys can make it public, and once you select that, after that click on create, and once we click on create, that's it, our playlist will be created. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.